When you're flying your drone, do you record your screen? Well, I do. I do all the time. Now, you've probably seen many videos where I have been recording my screen and you're thinking that it's just for content. It's not for content. It's actually for a different reason, but I use it for content as well. And I'm going to tell you why. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. Good to see you again. Yeah, so we're talking about recording our screens and it's something which I do all the time, no matter what I'm doing, if I'm flying for leisure or if I'm flying professionally. So I will always record my screen, and there's a nice function that you have on the RC and on the smart controller, as well as your own devices. So you can just, flick down the screen and you can just hit record. It's something which I do to give me more information about the flight. If, in the very if chance that I do happen to lose my drone, I've got some backup information as to what happened and some more visual information as well as telemetry as well, which is very, very important, because if you lose the drone, you will not have that information. So it's good to have, and it will even help you find the drone as well, because it could be far enough away that you might not be able to find it. Also good to just make sure that you've been doing things that you should have been doing, like some camera settings. Maybe, if something wasn't quite right, you can go back and you can look to see what the settings were, what you'd done. Did you have the right, let's say, settings for it? So I think that's also a good reason as well. So for various pieces of information, I always record my screen. Now, once the drone comes back and I check everything's okay, I can then delete it. So it's not going to be kept on the SD card. But you just never know if you might need it. So it's part of my pre-flight. So once I get everything ready, I will record the screen. Again, you've seen many of my videos where I always record my screen, and you can see it in the video. But it's not for content. I use it for the content, but I have it for other reasons as well. I hope this was helpful to you. Are you going to start recording your screen now? Maybe it will be helpful. You don't have to, but it's something that I do anyway. And it's something which I actually advise our pilots to do as well, just to give some more information. Anyway, thanks everyone. I hope this was helpful to you. Let me know in the comments if you're going to start doing this. Maybe it's something that you already do. As always, fly safe.